Good morning, 6th class. How are you? Fine? Okay. So, yesterday we discussed the topic verbs, and today we are going to discuss the topic adverbs. See the word adverbs. ADVERBS. So, as it seems that it is adding something to the verb. Adverbs. But an adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Means it is adding something to the verb also, an adjective also, and another adverb also. Modifying means adding something to the meaning of the verb also, an adjective also, and another adverb also. Verb, we know very well that verbs are doing, being, and possessing words. Adjectives, we know very well that adjectives are the describing words. And adverbs we are going to do today. Adverb means that are modifying to the verb, adjective, or another adverb. So the utilized words given below are adverbs which modify. Number 1. See number 1, it modifies the verbs. He walked carefully. We came yesterday. They played here. First of all, he is the subject, walked is the verb, and carefully is modifying the verb. Carefully is adding to the verb walk. Ki how he is walking? Carefully. We came yesterday. Came when? Yesterday. They played where? Here. Means all the three words carefully, yesterday, and here, they are modifying the verb walked, came, and played. It is clear? Now see. Let us see in B part how it modifies an adjective. See here, an adjective. She is very intelligent. I am much better. First of all, let us qualify the adjective. Which are adjective? Intelligent and better. And now, very intelligent and much better. Very is adding to intelligent, and much is adding to better. Means they are adding, the both words are adding to adjective. So in this way they both are adverb and they are modifying the adjective. So two things clear. Now come to C part. C, it's adverb, other adverb. He can work very efficiently. Don't go too slowly. So the word efficiently and slowly, they both are adverb, and very and true, they are adding to the adverb efficiently and slowly. So in this way, the define of adverb is clear to you, I think. Then adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. So that is done. Verbs example we have done. Then example of adjective, and then example of adverb. Okay? Adverb. Now, come to the kinds of adverb. Kinds of adverb. How many kind of adverbs are here? So let us see. First of all, it's adverb of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of degree, and interrogative adverbs. Okay? So these are the 6 kind of adverb. Now see, first of all, it's adverbs of manner. Manner means the way of doing one thing. Manner means the way of doing anything. That is called manner. See example, adverbs of manner. He writes well. I will go gladly. Please some speak clearly. The soldiers fought bravely and she ran fast. So here these all words in red. Well, gladly, clearly, bravely and fast. They are adverbs of manner because they all answer the question how or in what manner. They are giving the answer of how. He writes well. He writes how well. I will go how gladly. Please speak how clearly. The soldiers fought how bravely. She ran how fast. Means manner. Manner of doing anything. Then the second one is adverb of place. Adverb of place. The plane went up. He will go somewhere. She is waiting outside. The soldiers marched forward. So the words, see, up, somewhere, outside and forward. It is on the next page. Yes, see here. So they all give the answer of they are the adverb of place and they are giving the answer of the question where. They are giving the answer of the question where. See, the plane went where? Up. He will go where? Somewhere. She is waiting where? Outside. The soldier marched where? Forward. So the adverb of place give the answer of where. Adverb of place give the answer of where. Now come the next. Adverbs of time. Adverbs of time. See here. Examples you see. He came here yesterday. We are already late. The match will end soon. He is still unhappy. See, the word yesterday, already, soon and still. They are the adverbs of time and they answer the question when. When. He came here when? Yesterday. We are late when? Already. The match will end when? Soon. He is still unhappy. So these utilized words, they are called adverbs of time because they give the answer of question when. Now see the next. It's adverbs of frequency. Frequency means how often, kitni baar. He is always present. She is often absent. The train is generally late. He will never tell a lie. So the words always, often, generally and never are the adverbs of frequency and they answer the question how often, kitni baar praya. Then adverb of degree. This is a very beautiful flower. His face was nearly red. It is rather cold. See now. He writes quite beautifully. You walk too slowly. So the words very, rarely, nearly, rather, quite, to are the adverbs of degree and they give the answer of question how much or in what degree or to which extent. So these are the words that express the degrees, adverb of degree. And the last one, the sixth one, is interrogative adverb, means asking question. Where did you come? Sorry. When did you come? Where are the mangoes? How did you cross the river? Why did you abuse him? So the word when is an interrogative adverb of time. Where is interrogative adverb of place? How is interrogative adverb of manner? And why is an interrogative adverb of cause or reason? So interrogative adverbs are used for asking questions. I think it is clear to you. Now on the basis of this, you have to try to solve this exercise. He is quite well. First of all, underline the adverb and then tell well. Well, it is the adverb of manner. I can do it easily. It is also the easily adverb of manner. So in this way, you will try to solve this exercise. So it's bye for today. Tomorrow we'll do the next. Bye. This also you will try. Both the exercise you will try to solve.